So I'm here today to show you guys how I like to do my eyebrows. Today I'm going to be using a gel brow eyeliner, pairing it up with a spoolie brush and a angled brush eyeliner. So these are your two products that you will need today. Let's get into it. So I'm going to first grab my angled brush and measure up where my brows should begin, arch and end. So firstly I'd like to get the straight part and go ahead and measure up where corner of my nose is and going straight up to the corner of my eye, and this will determine where my brows should begin. Then I'm going in and going from the corner of my nose through my eye and up into my brow, and that's where my arch should start. And then the same, going through corner of my nose to the end of my eye and seeing where my brow should end. So you can see there, I just would need to fill in a little bit extra. So the best way, if you're first timer, you should grab a little bit of product onto your brush. So your product, and just lightly coat your brush. Then you can go in and make little marks if you feel like that will help you. Just so then that way when you're filling in your brows, you know exactly where you need to do your shape. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Just make a little mark where you think I should begin. I'm going to brush my hairs up in the direction that I would like them to go in and fall. So I always like to do my brows first. This just maps out my eyes, and then I usually go in following eyeshadow and then makeup, like foundation, and then lips right at the end. So now I like to keep my elbow on a table or a steady surface, just to keep my hand from shaking if you find that you're not very good at using a brush. So I'm going to go in and lightly stroke a line on the bottom of my lashes, bottom of my brows. Now when I'm doing the top part, I'm going to be doing the same that I did to the bottom and just drawing a line to meet the end of my brow. With the top brow, I do like to start about a third way in. And then start to draw those soft lines. Once I'm happy with that, whatever's left over on my brush, I just usually like to fill in strokes of hair through my brow. Now with your spoolie brush, just go in and really work that product into the brow, so that way you're not left with a block at the front. You want it to be a little bit feathered, but nothing where it looks like there's no hair at all. I'm just going to go in and clean up around my eye. So firstly I'll be using a bit of micellar water with a cotton tip just to clean up. And then I'll be going in with some concealer. So I'm just going in and tidying up. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. You can use your concealer or foundation, just completely up to you. And I'm going to use a flat-headed brush. in with a clear brow gel and just set the hairs into place. This one is from MAC. It's just a clear brow gel. And that's how I like to do my brows.